Hey guys, welcome to the concepts and definition portion of our course. Before we begin making WordPress plugins, let's first review what a WordPress plugin is. So I'm going to give you WordPress's definition and then I'll break it down in layman's terms for you. So according to WordPress, a WordPress plugin is a program or a set of one or more functions written in the PHP scripting language that adds a specific set of features or services to the WordPress weblog, which can be seamlessly integrated with the weblog using access points and methods provided by the WordPress Plugin Application Programming Interface, also known as API. This definition can be found on the writing a plugin portion of the WordPress Codex, which is here. I'll put the link on the screen. WordPress also says the core of WordPress is designed to be lean and lightweight, to maximize flexibility and minimize code bloat. Plugins then offer custom functions and features so that each user can tailor their site to their specific needs. So you can read more about WordPress plugins on their Codex website at this address as well. In layman's terms, WordPress plugins are like the apps on your smartphone. Your phone can make phone calls, but with apps, suddenly it can do many, many more things. WordPress, similarly, is a great blogging and simple website platform. But with WordPress plugins, suddenly it can do much, much more. For example, the WooCommerce plugin can turn your website into an online store, or the BuddyPress plugin can turn your website into its own social network. The possibilities are endless. WordPress's success is owed to WordPress plugins, in my opinion. WordPress introduced plugins 3 years after its initial public release. Since then, developers have created more than 40,000 plugins, ostensibly turning WordPress into the Swiss Army knife of content management platforms. This, coupled with its always open source free mantra, WordPress quickly grew to become the internet's most popular CMS. According to the W3Techs1 website, almost 60% of the 1 million most visited websites that are run on a content management system or a CMS are run on WordPress. And you can see those statistics here. You can read more about the history of WordPress at this link. Wishing that WordPress had some new or modified functionality? Well, the first thing to do is search various WordPress plugin repositories and sources to see if someone has already created a WordPress plugin that suits your needs. If not, this course will guide you through the process of creating your own WordPress plugin. So, what is the WordPress plugin directory, also called the WordPress plugin repository? Well, first of all, it can be found here. And I like to describe it as the App Store for WordPress. Only the apps in the WordPress plugin directory are free. And why free? Well, since WordPress is an open source project, they require all plugins in their official directory to be open source and free as well. Thanks, WordPress. Here you can find all sorts of awesome plugins, some supported by teams of developers, and some created by individuals such as yourself. Now, this doesn't mean you can't sell your plugins. There are many successful paid premium plugins available. If you wish to sell your plugins, you'll just have to self-host it or use some existing marketplaces. There is an arguable advantage, though, to releasing a light version of your plugin on the WordPress plugin directory, since the audience is enormous and there is no financial barrier to entry. It's also included in WordPress itself. Once users have experienced your lightweight version, they are more likely to purchase your premium plugin with added features. You can learn more about how to submit your plugins to the WordPress plugin directory by visiting this link here. All right, so that's WordPress plugins. Stay tuned for the next lesson. We're going to look at how those plugins work.